Divi theme. Now, Divi at one point in time was considered the #1 best page builder for WordPress. Over time, other page builders like Elementor took the spotlight. However, the Divi theme has completely rebuilt the theme from scratch and no longer uses shortcodes. As a result, it's faster, snappier, and more secure. Divi introduced a brand new system of building, so let's take a look. Now, Divi is a premium theme. There is no free version. However, what's really cool is if you go to their website using our link in the description, you can try Divi for free. If you go to the Divi website and go click on Divi 5.0, you can actually try the builder for free. This can help you understand if this builder is right for you. Now, once you purchase it and upload it to your website, it'll then display the Divi options in the back ends. Here's the dashboard of Divi. The Divi theme also offers more than 2,000 templates, which is actually pretty impressive, and the designs of this theme are actually very unique. I think they're quite interesting. The Divi theme also offers their own AI builder, which allows you to completely build websites using AI. Divi also offers their own theme options. However, I'll be honest, the Divi theme options are kind of useless and you'll probably never use them. Now let's talk about the page builder. Divi has their own proprietary page builder. For each section, you click on the plus icon, and this allows you to insert columns onto any row. There's actually a very large variety of columns to choose from. You can then go ahead and select any column, and then you can insert elements in the columns. For each element that you add in the column, they have styling options on the right side. Here you can adjust the content, design, and also add in things like margin, padding, or animations. Adding elements with Divi is a bit unique compared to other page builders. Instead of a panel on the left side where you drag and drop elements, you just click on the plus and then add in the elements wherever you want on the page. The new 5.0 with Divi definitely comes with performance improvements. The Divi builder is fast and snappy, and when dragging elements, you'll notice how quick and fast the elements position and snap into place. What's also cool is the control options. You can change the color of the builder to light mode and dark mode, and you can adjust the color of the elements on the builder settings. They have a few to choose from, like purple, red, blue, and cyan. They also have this interesting X-ray mode, which allows you to see how much space each element is taking. And for those developers out there, they have a wireframe mode, which allows you to visually see all the elements in place on your website without the visual builder being active. Divi also has options on the left side, allowing you to adjust specific settings to help you with the building process. Overall, I would say the building process with Divi is a significant improvement from their 4.0 version. Divi 5.0 is currently in beta, and it's set to launch a stable release in just a few months. The theme builder with Divi allows you to visually see which parts of your website are actively using the theme builder. The green sections represent a global setting, which applies to all of your pages. You can always delete each individual part of a page and add a unique header and footer for each individual page of your website. I like this setup because it's easier to see what's visually going on. You can also adjust the body of your website for specific custom post types. All in all, I do like the upgrade with Divi. I do think they need to fine-tune some of the building process and also clear out some of the bugs, but I think if you're looking for a different page builder, Divi might be the way to go. There is also a huge third-party market for Divi that offers templates, child themes, and plugins. Divi also has very competitive pricing. For $89 a year, you can install Divi on unlimited websites. And they also offer a lifetime plan for $249, and that is a one-time payment and allows you to install Divi on unlimited websites. I would give the Divi theme a solid 9.0. It's fast, simple, and great for beginners. Now, there's